Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create voice channel on Discord. So for you to be able to create a voice channel on Discord, you have to make sure you're connected to your in a server. So make sure you create a server, make sure the server that you're going to use to create a voice channel, make sure you are the owner of the channel or owner of the server, like that. Or better still, we don't have a server, you can simply create a new one. You can go back to one of my videos on how to create Discord server. So once you're on the server, so right now this is my server, which is NS server. This is the name. The server right here, even though the server is not currently active for now, to build it. So right now, once you click on the server, you should have something like this. This is the name, my server. This is the drop down file. You want to do this, you want to now right here. Actually, want to create a channel. So I'm just going to hit on this plus icon. Good here. Big. So right now, I actually want to create a voice. This is a voice channel. So click this one. Then right here you can put your name. So I actually want my voice channel to be for coding. So you can create a coding channel. Okay. Coding Pro. So good. That's the name. So right here I'm just gonna want the channel to be private. Only selected member and rules will be able to view this channel. So it actually depends on if you want it to be private or you want it to be public. So I'm just going to leave it public. So then I'm going to create the channel. It's not working. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, it actually works. This is it right there. This is it right here. Just work. So right here, I'm just gonna go back and delete the military of it. So I'm just gonna pick this one. I'm just gonna pick this, and you can see, and the channel. This is the voice channel. You can see the name of the channel, which is Coding Pro under my server. You can see that here, Coding Pro / server. So since my channel is public, anybody can join me while on the voice channel, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.